Buenos dias, salut, and hello. Welcome to this episode of the Sprachenzentrum's Minding Your Language series. If you could get rid of the difficulty in understanding conditional sentences, would you? If you would, stick around. This first video in our Clearing Up Conditionals set will get you off to a good start. Today, we join our friends Linda and Saira as they prepare a chemical concoction in the science lab. They've just started their work and have all the necessary materials and chemicals ready. Let's see how they're doing. I don't know, says Linda. I'm a bit nervous. I've never done anything like this before. It's all right, replies Saira. Just look at the first step on our instruction sheet. Here it says, boil water. If water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. So we just have to get it hot enough. Saira has just used a specific type of conditional sentence, something called the Zero Conditional. This type of conditional is used to talk about permanent truths, that is, things that are true all of the time, most often when talking about scientific facts, like Saira just did, or general habits. It's formed by using the structure if plus present simple in the first clause of the sentence, and the present simple in the second clause. Stated this way, we know that water will always boil at 100 degrees. That won't change. Note here that the word if can be replaced with the word when or whenever in the zero conditional, and the meaning remains the same. Okay, let's try it, Linda replies. Please just make sure to watch and make sure that I'm doing the steps correctly. If I'm around chemicals, I get nervous. Linda just gave us a prime example of the zero conditional used to talk about a general truth. In this case, it's a general truth about Linda only. She always gets nervous around chemicals, but a general truth nonetheless. Of course, don't worry. It'll be fine, smiles Saira. The duo works for a while, concentrated on measuring and mixing everything correctly. Eventually, they come to the last step of the project. Okay, Linda says as she breathes a sigh of relief. If we measure this last chemical correctly, we'll get a good grade. I'm sure. Here's another conditional. This one is a little different, however. It's a form called the First Conditional. Here, we keep the first part of the structure that the Zero Conditional uses, if plus present simple in the first clause, but we add the word will to the second half, giving us will plus present simple. We use this form when we want to talk about a situation in the present or future that could quite realistically happen. Saira grins and responds, and if we do that, we can relax the rest of the semester. Linda grins back. Saira's just shown us that we're also able to use the modal can in the first conditional in place of the word will. What did we need to do after we finish this project again? She asks. You know my motto. If you don't know, ask. Linda goes to find the instructor and learn what to do next, leaving us with a final way to form the first conditional, by using an imperative or command form instead of will or can. Linda has just returned to the workstation and signaled to Saira that they can pack up and go. While they get their things together, let's recap. Today, we've seen that the zero conditional is used to talk about permanent truths, like scientific facts and generalities. It's formed by using if plus present simple and present simple. The first conditional talks about individual realistic situations in the present or future. It can be formed by using if plus present simple, and will plus a verb, can plus a verb, or the imperative. Okay, that wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the other videos about conditionals in this set, or any of our English language learning videos in the Minding Your Language series linked below. Adios, au revoir, see you next time.